Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add animation to text on CapCut. So select text here and add a text, whatever you want. I cannot spell gorgeous apparently. And then I'm just going to kind of add in a font style to the text. Actually, I'm just going to change the font of it. And then I'm just going to select the shadow just to add in a little bit of pizzazz. I don't know what I'm saying. Then I'm just going to go to animation, and you can add an in, an out, and also a loop animation to your text. So for instance, I want to add in a fade in animation, so I'm just going to do that. And then I can also add in an out, like a fade out animation. And I think I can also add in a loop animation, if I'm not mistaken, to the middle. I'm not sure. I don't think I can. You can only add in and out together, and then a loop by itself. I'm just going to do a short one. You can also change the speed of it. If you want it fast, you're just going to go to the left. If you want it slow, go to the right of it. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, actually you can add in so the loop is in the middle, the fade in is in the left, and the fade out is on the right. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button about the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!